Let's go. How to create YouTube playlist. Hello friend, in this video I will show how to create a playlist at YouTube. Okay, so this is youtube.com. I will come here. This is my channel. So first of all I will show my playlist, available playlist. Okay, so I have these 3 or 4 playlists. I want to create a new playlist. So what I need to do, I need to go to YouTube Studio. You can go by a different way in studio.youtube.com. I have already bookmarked this. You can only type this studio.youtube.com. So this is a new feature. I will show how to create a playlist. Come here. Okay, this is a videos. Here they will give you an option which video you want to add to your YouTube. Okay, this video, first video, second video, and this 4th video, and this is also 4th video. Now add to playlist. So they say you want to add to the currently available playlist or you want to new playlist. So I select new playlist. Okay, here you can enter any title, YouTube tracks. For example, this is my name. Okay, if you want to public, so everyone will see. If you want to private, so only you can see. So currently I'm using this as public. Okay, this is save. Playlist is created. Now again come to, this is a youtube.com, and now I click here. Okay, so here is the playlist. This is my playlist. Okay, YouTube track. Here I add 4 videos. So there are a lot of advantages of playlists. You already know. If you don't know, so maybe next time we will discuss this. Okay, this is the short and simple way. At the end, if you are new in my channel, so kindly subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching. Kindly don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.